rolled some woods over there to get them in the sunshine to dry out. There's some of these woods over here. That one's standing up pretty good. These are big pieces here. And here's the pink ribbon that was tied around to mark the tree for the woodcutters, the arborists. It's some heavy wood. Very heavy wood. Ended up scraping the arm right there. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I'll bring the saw out here and saw some of this stuff up into smaller pieces. And there's the stump there. That was heavy to roll. This was the hardest one to roll because it had a lump. This right here, stump here, is fairly light. So I'll dry it out. That was from way down the fence line. Way down that way. Some trees down there. So there's the flowers and vegetable garden. Some tomatoes are coming on there. There's the carrots in here. Look at this. This is a fucking, looks like a marrow plant. It doesn't look like a carrot. The carrots are down here. The little ones here are carrots. But the soil's so loose that the lettuce, that's supposed to be lettuce, and it just grew into a big giant plant. The fuck, you bug? And here's the other lettuce. And the spinach didn't populate very wonderfully. Here's the celery. It's under there. Still coming up. These don't look like vegetables here. They're called early frost. This is probably just regular plants. These ones here, no, these are cauliflower. These ones here. And then there's this one. Look at the root. This is the zucchini. But the roots are kind of in there. Not a whole lot of dirt on the roots, but they're from putting buckets of water on. I don't see any fucking, the snap peas didn't come through. The broccoli looks like it fucking didn't get anywhere. Spinach is here still though, or the beets. Here's our beets. There's some little beets in there, the tiny little beets. And there's cantaloupe here. This is the cantaloupe. And then this one's the squash. Woo! It's got like little sharp things on it. So the squash and the cantaloupes still having a hard time with the not getting much dirt. Dirt's too fucking loose, but it's growing a little bit. And this is just a flower. That was free on the side of the sidewalk over here where the burnt house was at. There's a couple of houses down that way. They put free flowers on the sidewalk. And my brother cut the grass around the crystals here for the for the cloud busters. Wilhelm Reich cloud busters. Come out here 6 o'clock every evening. Throw a prayer with rainbow. Shower. Spray the hose up straight into the air. Get a mist and sunshine. Sunshine coming over the horizon on the west over here. Anyway, that will be tree arborist report number 3. City maintenance. All right. 88.